Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your FN keys are not working in Windows 11 like volume up, volume down or brightness keys not working, then this video will help you fix it. So in my laptop FN lock is disabled, so I can control volume and brightness directly without pressing FN key. If you want to enable or change FN lock, use these methods. The first method will be check BIOS settings. To open BIOS, there are two easy ways. The first method to open BIOS is you have to right click on this Windows icon, then click on this settings option. After that, on the left side, click on Windows Update. On the right side, you will see this option Advanced Options. Click on it. And here you will see this option Recovery. So this is the option we need. Advanced Startup. So you have to click on this option Restart Now. Click on it. Click on Restart Now. After that, you will see this kind of a window. Again, click on Restart Now. So this will open this kind of options. You can see. Now you have to click on this option Troubleshoot. Then click on Advanced Options. Click on it. Then you have to click on this option UEFI Firmware Settings. Click on it. After that, click on this option Restart. So click on Restart. So this will open BIOS in your laptop like this. In this BIOS settings, you have to look for hotkey mode. So this is the option hotkey mode. So this is the first method to open BIOS settings. Okay. Now move on to the second method to open BIOS settings. So I have this another laptop. Okay. So first you have to shut down this laptop completely. So first shut down your laptop completely. After that, you have to use this F10 key to open BIOS settings in this laptop. So first you have to switch on your laptop. So press the power button. After that, start pressing this F10 key continuously. So this will open BIOS settings like this. So this is the second method to open BIOS settings. Okay. In this BIOS settings, look for hotkey mode. Okay. Now you can enable or disable hotkey mode, it depending on your requirement. If I select disabled in hotkey mode, after that you have to go to this tab Exit, then select the first option Exit Saving Changes. So press enter, then you will see this kind of option yes or no. Select yes, then press enter. So after that, this will restart your laptop. The next method will be try FN lock shortcut. For this, on your keyboard, you have to press this FN key and this escape key. So you have to press both the keys together. This will change the FN key behavior and your volume or brightness keys should start working right away. But if your FN keys are still not working in Windows 11, follow these methods. So in the next method, we are going to update keyboard driver. For this, you have to right click on this Windows icon, then click on this option Device Manager. In this Device Manager, click on this option Keyboard, expand this option. After that, right click on your keyboard driver, then click on Update Driver, click on Search Automatically. So this will update your keyboard driver. After that, click on Close, then restart your laptop. If you are still getting the same issue, move on to the next method. So in the next method, we are going to reinstall keyboard driver. For this, you have to again open Device Manager. After that, click on this keyboard option, expand this option, then right click on your keyboard driver, then click on Uninstall Device. After that, click on Uninstall, then restart your laptop. When you restart your laptop, it will automatically reinstall your keyboard driver. The next method you can try is turn off filter keys. For this, you have to right click on this Windows icon, then click on this option Settings. After that, on the left side, click on Accessibility. On the right side, scroll down, then click on this option Keyboard. Now here you will see this option Filter Keys. So you have to disable or turn off this filter keys option. So these are the methods you can try. This is all for the video. Thank you.